Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Lesley and this is my beauty channel. Today we are talking about skincare. This is my part 2 video to my skincare routine. I already shared with you my daytime skincare routine in part 1. I will link that down below if you haven't seen it. I will say that it's a real-time skincare routine. I actually filmed it last night as I was removing my makeup, cleansing my skin, and kind of everything I do step by step. This is what's worked really well for me. I am not like an expert in skincare. I am not an esthetician. I am a makeup artist. So I'm not saying that you have to drop everything and buy all of these products and it's going to for sure work for you. I just wanted to share with you my tips and tricks, what has worked for me, because this has been a highly requested video. I also forgot to mention in my daytime skincare routine, I do wear SPF 50 every single day. So do try to drink a lot of water because it really does do wonders for your skin. So remember that if you are having issues with your skin, start by trying to drink a ton of water and kind of flushing it out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on the nighttime skincare routine. Okay, so before we get started on the demo, I just want to share with you a couple of things. These are products that I have been using for a very long time that I love. These brands are what I swear by. My night creams do switch out a little bit. It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream is my all-time favorite kind of daytime nighttime moisturizer. I find that that one works really well for both, so I use that one a lot. It is not shown in this video because I'm just not currently using that one right now. I feel like I am kind of sticking with the same brands. I either use like Skin Fix, Pixi, Derma It Cosmetics. I kind of try and stick in the more natural side of things, and I do always slather on my face my 100% pure cold pressed argan oil. If I could throw away all of my night creams and just stick with that, I would, and I did use that only for a very long time and it worked really well. So I feel like that's like overall the best thing that I could ever put on my skin that I find really works. Never miss a night of removing my makeup. I always make sure I take off my makeup, and not just with a wipe, I always wash my face. My cleansers do switch up a little bit. I always do use a more soapy kind of lathering cleanser just to get rid of any excess makeup. So I like something that really lathers and is non-drying on the skin. I'll share with you 2 skincare brushes, and the first one is what I used in the demonstration. This is what I used last night, and I use this most nights. This is by Royal and Langnickel, and it is their spa brush. This, I just apply the cleanser straight on and just kind of go in circular motions, and it really lathers and like breaks down the makeup. It's super gentle. It's almost more gentle than like using your fingertips because you aren't quite rubbing as much. And then when I am not using this, I use this one about 2 times a week. This is by Todd Beauty, and it's their Soniclear Petite. It's pretty much a Clarisonic. I really like this. It's super gentle, and it comes with a little travel case, which I like. I usually start on my forehead, circular motions. The trick with a Clarisonic or something like it is to keep it moving, and then when it beeps, you move on to your cheek, beeps again, chin and nose area, beeps again, other cheek. Okay, so now we got that out of the way, let's jump into my demonstration. I'm going to share with you what I use and what really works for me, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright, let's kick off this nighttime skincare routine. So the first thing I like to go in with is a cleansing balm. This one is my favorite. It's by It Cosmetics, and it's the Bye Bye Makeup. This is a brand new jar, and it hurts to use it, but it seriously removes everything and really breaks down even my waterproof foundation. So I just massage this all over my face, my eyebrows, my eyes. To remove the cleansing balm, I like to go in with a makeup wipe, and these ones are by Neutrogena. They're the hydrating ones. I really love the Pond's Evening Soothe, and then also the Yes Tea Cucumbers. The cleanser I always seem to go back to is by Purlisse. It's the Cleansing Milk, and I really like this one because it lathers, it removes any more excess makeup. At nighttime, I either use my Todd Beauty Soniclear Petite, which is like a Clarisonic, or I use my Deep Pore Cleansing Brush from Royal and Langnickel. It's part of their MODA spa line. As you can see, tonight is the Royal and Langnickel brush, so I applied the cleanser directly on the brush. I go in circular motions all over the face. It really is gentle and just lifts up any dirt or debris left on the skin. Then I just rinse my face with some water and pat my skin dry with a towel. What's a nighttime routine without a little bit of pampering? So I either go in with a sheet mask or I go in with a mud mask. Tonight I am opting for the Pixi Glow Mud Mask. I really like this one because it purifies the skin, balances the skin, and also detoxifies the skin. Makes it feel really clean but not dried out after, and I really like it. I leave my face masks on for anywhere in between 15 to 30 minutes. It really just depends on what I'm doing. I leave my face masks on for anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes. It really just depends on what I'm doing, chilling in bed, watching Netflix, whatever. It was feeling so tight at this point. And then of course, rinse off with some warm water. The first product I'm going in with is by Skindinavia, and I've actually been using this for a while, like several months. It's the Post Makeup Recovery Spray. It's supposed to clear the pores and prevent breakouts, and so far so good. I really do like it. My nighttime serum is the same one from my daytime routine. It's the Derma Hydrating Serum, and I always press it into the skin and bring it down my neck. For eye cream, again, it's the same one from my daytime routine. This is the Confidence in an Eye Cream. I love the whole Confidence in a line. It's amazing, very hydrating. This eye cream is packed with really great ingredients. It is anti-aging and it helps reduce puffiness. For night cream, I'm using the Hydrating Night Cream by Derma. I really like this one. It's not greasy, but it's super hydrating. You guys can probably tell between this video and the last video, I love the Hydrating line by Derma. It's natural and it's just really gentle even for the most sensitive skin. I know you guys knew this was next. This is my star of the show, the certified organic, cold pressed, pure argan oil. This is literally my favorite thing in the world. It has truly changed my skin. Look up the benefits of argan oil. It's pretty amazing and I really swear by it. So I slather my face in this and work it all in, bring it down my neck. When I wake up, my skin is nice and hydrated and ready to go. We can't forget about the lips, so I'm going in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Lip Scrub in Strawberry Gum. It literally smells amazing, and I wear a lot of matte liquid lipsticks, so we have to prep the lips for the next day. After the lips have been exfoliated, we are following up with some lip balm. This is by Emily Corden, and it is the Cashmere On Lip Pot and White Coconut Cake. It smells so good, and it's so luxurious. And then finishing off everything with the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist with Hyaluronic Acid. Alright guys, so that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really love these products, so I think if you're going to pick up any of them and you do have drier skin, you'll really enjoy them. I know I do, and they just work really well for me. Let me know if any of these products in the video were a favorite of yours as well, or if you found something cool that you've been wanting to try and maybe you are sold on it now. I'd love to hear. And also let me know what videos you want to see next, because I am trying to film a lot more and I do want to put out content you want to see. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media. I'll link it up here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!